Hello again. We are at the halfway point of this course. The Unit 6 focus is Supporting Your Opinions with Evidence, Part 2. During the next 5 weeks, you will focus on writing your research paper on either Course Topic 1 or Course Topic 2. Writing a research paper is like writing any type of essay. You will use the writing process of pre-writing, drafting, revising, and editing. This week, you should focus your time on the following tasks. First, choose one of the 2 course topics that you would like to focus on for your research paper. Then narrow that topic down and create a specific thesis statement that you can argue in the body of the essay. Next, determine 3 points that support that thesis statement and determine at least one reason why someone might disagree with you, which you will remember is called the opposing view. This week, you will complete the Unit 6 individual project, which is an outline of your argument. Basically points 2, 3, and 4 of the previous slide. All you need to do is simply state your thesis and then outline your 3 main points and at least one opposing view. Be sure to use the Unit 6 individual project template that is provided in the assignment details, as it has the outline already formatted for you. If you are struggling with writer's block, you can go back to either the Unit 3 or the Unit 5 discussion board and review the different opinions, statements, evidence that your classmates presented. Consider any feedback or pointers that your instructor made. This class is a learning community where students learn and grow by working with each other, so use their discussion board posts for inspiration if necessary. Of course, your research paper still must be comprised of your own words and your own ideas, so copying and pasting someone else's post into your assignment would be plagiarism. Your motivational quote for this week comes from an unknown author. Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. Remember to reach out to your instructor if you have any questions or concern, and as always, do your best work.